Get noticed in this 2007 Toyota Sequoia. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive with a powerful 8-cylinder engine driven by a 5-speed automatic transmission. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power mirrors. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.